Here's how to use a VPN on your iPhone or your Android phone. Now, I have both iPhone and Android. The first way is to manually create a VPN. To do that, open up the Settings app on your iPhone or Android. On the iPhone, scroll down and tap on General midway down. Scroll down to the bottom and tap on VPN and Device Management. From here, tap on VPN at the top, and then hit Add VPN Configuration. On your Android phone, tap on Connections. Scroll down from here. Let me go back. Scroll down from here. Tap on More Connection Settings. Tap on VPN, and then tap on the plus at the top right. You can see it allows you to manually enter in and create that VPN profile. However, a lot of people don't necessarily know the configuration profile from the get-go. They just want to use an app to be able to do this. So I'll show you how to do that as well. Let's hop out of here on your iPhone or Android and open up the App Store or the Google Play Store. And we're just going to search for VPN on both devices, and I'll show you exactly how it works. So tap on search and then search for VPN. Now on here, let's download the exact same app, this VPN Super Unlimited Proxy. So I'm going to install it on my iPhone and install the exact same one on my Android. And I'll show you how to use this after we've set it up. You can see on Android, download it a little quicker. Tap on the Open button. Tap on Accept and Continue. On here, it does say unlock all of these, but you can just hit Proceed with Ads if you want the free version. So I'm going to hit that. On here, I don't want notifications, and I want to hit Connect. After I've done that, it says Connection Request, and it appears that you need to allow permission. So I'm going to hit OK here, and you can see after seeing a quick ad, you can tap on the Next button here. And unfortunately, you do need to go through the process of seeing some ads. So while that's playing, let's open it up on your iPhone. Hit Accept and Continue and Don't Allow. And again, proceed with ads at the bottom. So I'm going to get out of here and hit OK. Man, these ads are a little annoying, so I'm just going to keep going back out of here. Or maybe just close it and open it up again. Unfortunately, it is basically ads unless you pay for it. So on the iPhone, I'm going to hit Allow Configuration Profile. Enter in my passcode here. And then you can see I'm connected on my iPhone. However, Android is still having issues. You can see it's still running through the ads. Unfortunately, for whatever reason, Android is a little bit slower in terms of showing you all these ads. But you're going to go through the same profile process, allowing that VPN app to have configuration profiles. And then you'll have basically connected to that VPN. To disconnect, all you need to do is open up the app and tap the Connected button to disconnect. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.